Playing dumb, often dismissed as manipulative or deceptive, can actually be a surprisingly effective strategy when used with precision. In the realm of dark psychology, where subtle influence and hidden intentions reign, the art of feigning ignorance can help you lower others' defenses, gather valuable information, and ultimately influence outcomes in your favor. Whether you're navigating tricky workplace politics, dealing with complex personal relationships, or trying to outmaneuver an adversary, the power of playing dumb lies in your ability to create an advantage by appearing harmless. I've sifted through countless books and expert opinions to bring you the top 11 psychological hacks that can help you master the art of playing dumb for success. Drawing from the works of renowned psychologists like Carol Dweck, who introduced the concept of a growth mindset, and Daniel Kahneman, who explored the psychology of decision-making, these techniques will change the way you approach manipulation, allowing you to subtly gain control of situations. Are you ready to discover the hidden power of playing dumb? Number 1. Use innocence as a shield. Feigning innocence can disarm even the sharpest minds. When you play dumb, people often underestimate you, which lowers their guard. This creates a perfect opportunity for you to observe, learn, and strategize without them suspecting your true intentions. For instance, in a competitive work environment, playing the role of the uninformed colleague can give you access to information you might not otherwise receive. By letting others think they have the upper hand, you're actually positioning yourself for future success. This tactic allows you to gather valuable insights, while your perceived lack of knowledge makes you appear non-threatening. Over time, as you quietly gather information and strengthen your position, you'll be ready to make a strategic move when the time is right. Number 2, lower expectations to your advantage. When others expect less from you, they often don't watch you as closely, giving you room to maneuver. Playing dumb helps you set these low expectations, which can allow you to make moves without drawing attention. Whether you're in a negotiation, navigating a complex relationship, or trying to advance your career, appearing clueless can give you the space you need to make strategic decisions behind the scenes. For example, pretending not to understand a critical detail in a negotiation can lead your opponent to reveal more than they intended, which you can then use to your advantage. The less people expect from you, the more opportunities you have to surprise them with a well-timed and informed decision. This approach lets you stay under the radar until you're ready to reveal your true capabilities. Number 3, draw information out of others. Feigning ignorance often prompts others to over-explain, giving away more information than they intended. By playing dumb, you can encourage people to share details they might otherwise withhold. This technique works well in both social and professional situations. When you act as though you don't understand something, others will try to fill in the gaps for you, often revealing key insights that you can use later. This subtle approach allows you to extract valuable information without directly asking for it, making it a powerful and effective tactic. For instance, in a meeting, by asking seemingly naive questions, you can get others to reveal their strategies, concerns, or weaknesses, which you can later leverage to your advantage. Number 4, create a non-threatening presence. One of the key advantages of playing dumb is that it makes you appear non-threatening. In high-stakes situations, whether in business or personal relationships, people often target those they see as competition. By appearing less capable or knowledgeable, you can avoid becoming a target. This allows you the freedom to observe and act when the time is right. People are less likely to see you as a rival if they believe you lack the knowledge or skill to be a threat, which gives you a strategic edge. For example, if others believe you're out of the loop in a particular matter, they might overlook your potential influence, allowing you to act more freely behind the scenes. By the time they realize your true capabilities, it's often too late for them to counter your moves. Number 5, control the flow of conversation. When you play dumb, you can subtly control the direction of a conversation without others realizing it. By asking seemingly naive questions, you can guide discussions in a way that benefits you. This technique works well in negotiations, interviews, and even casual conversations. By feigning ignorance, you can steer the conversation towards areas where you have the upper hand, allowing you to influence outcomes without appearing pushy or aggressive. People often let their guard down when they think they're explaining something to someone who doesn't understand, which gives you the perfect opportunity to shift the conversation in your favor. For instance, if you want to steer a business discussion toward a topic where you have more expertise, pretending to be confused about another topic can cause the conversation to naturally shift to where you want it. Number 6, build trust by appearing vulnerable. Playing dumb can make you appear vulnerable, which in turn can make others more inclined to trust you. When people believe that you lack certain knowledge or skills, they may feel more comfortable sharing their own thoughts and ideas with you. This can lead to stronger relationships and open up opportunities for influence. By appearing less capable, you can foster a sense of trust and camaraderie, making it easier to guide others toward your desired outcome. This strategy can be particularly effective in group settings where trust is key to collaboration. For example, in a team environment, acting as though you're not fully aware of all the details can encourage others to open up and share more, allowing you to guide the group's direction while appearing cooperative and supportive. Number 7, avoid blame and responsibility. In situations where things go wrong, playing dumb can help you avoid blame. By feigning ignorance, you can distance yourself from responsibility, allowing others to take the fall. This doesn't mean shirking all accountability, but rather using the tactics strategically to protect yourself when necessary. For example, if a project fails due to a poor decision, claiming that you were unaware of the full situation can shield you from the consequences. This tactic works especially well in environments where blame is quickly assigned, as it allows you to deflect responsibility without directly confronting others. This approach can also buy you time to reassess your position and prepare for the next steps, while others are busy dealing with the fallout. Number 8, delay decisions and buy time. Sometimes the best move is no move at all. Playing dumb can help you buy time in situations where a quick decision isn't in your best interest. By pretending not to understand the urgency of a situation, you can delay your response until you've gathered all the information you need. This tactic is particularly useful in negotiations, where acting as though you need more time to grasp the details can give you the opportunity to think through your options. In the meantime, others may reveal more information, giving you a clearer picture before you make your move. For example, in a high-pressure meeting, by appearing uncertain about a decision, you can create a buffer that allows you to gather more insights or reconsider your strategy without others realizing your true intentions. Number 9, use confusion to disarm. When others believe that you are confused or uncertain, they may step in to help you, giving you the opportunity to manipulate the situation in your favor. Playing dumb can create a sense of confusion that others feel compelled to resolve. In doing so, they may inadvertently provide you with the very assistance you need to achieve your goals. This tactic works well in environments where people are eager to prove their own competence by helping others. By pretending to be confused, you can encourage them to take actions that ultimately benefit you. For instance, in a collaborative setting, acting as though you're struggling to grasp a concept can lead others to share more information or even make decisions that align with your hidden objectives. Number 10, appear agreeable to avoid conflict. In situations where confrontation could be detrimental, playing dumb can help you avoid conflict. By appearing agreeable and uninformed, you can navigate tense situations without escalating them. This can be especially useful in the workplace, where maintaining good relationships is crucial to your success. By downplaying your own knowledge or opinions, you can sidestep potential conflicts while still moving toward your goals. People are less likely to argue with someone they see as non-confrontational, which can give you the upper hand in delicate situations. For example, in a team meeting, acting as though you're unsure about a contentious issue can help you avoid becoming embroiled in a heated debate, allowing you to keep the peace while subtly guiding the conversation toward a more favorable outcome. Number 11, gain sympathy and support. Playing dumb can also be a way to elicit sympathy and support from others. When people believe that you are struggling or in need of help, they are more likely to come to your aid. This can be a powerful tool in both personal and professional settings. By feigning ignorance or incompetence, you can draw on others' desire to help, turning their goodwill into a resource for your own success. This tactic works especially well in environments where teamwork and collaboration are valued, as people are often eager to assist those they perceive as needing help. For instance, in a workplace setting, by playing the role of someone who's struggling with a task, you might receive additional support or resources that you can use to further your goals. By mastering the art of playing dumb, you can subtly influence those around you without them even realizing it. These psychological hacks tap into human nature, allowing you to manipulate situations and outcomes to your advantage. You now hold powerful strategies that most people overlook. Let me know which hack resonated with you the most in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into mastering your mind and achieving success. Thanks for watching.